Hello smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, we are going to continue to learn our phonics sound. Okay, and this time we have this sound. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. It's p, p, p. Okay, now we are going to say it together and do the movement. Hold up your finger as if it is a candle and pretend to puff it out and say p, p, p. Can you do it? I'm sure you can do it. Okay, let's do it together, okay? Finger and p, 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 p. Very good. Okay, now can you please tell me the objects or the things that start with p, p, p sound? Yes, you're right. P, p, p. Pig. Okay, what else? Good job. P, p, p. Pencil. Okay, what else? Very good. P, p, p. Panda. Okay. Anything else? Good job. P, p, p. Pants. Okay, what else? Very good. P, p, p. Penguin. Yay! Good job, kids. Alright, kids, now let's try to write the p, p sound together. Okay, let's make the line from the top and going down. And now make the curve line. Very good. One more time, just follow the arrow. Okay, make the line from the top and going down. And now we make the curve line. Yay! Good job, kids! Alright, now it's time for us to spot the p, p, p sound on the word. Okay, I have top. T, o, p, top. Can you spot the p sound? Yes, you're right. It's at the end of the word. Good job. That's the ending sound. Okay, now how about zipper? Zipper. Can you spot the p, p, p sound? Very good. It's in the middle. Good job. And then next I have pen. P, e, n, pen. Can you spot the p, p, p sound? Very good. It's in the beginning. Good job. I have cup. Cup. Can you spot the p sound? Good job. It's at the end, the ending sound. And the last one, I have hippo. Hippo. Can you spot the p, p sound? Very good. It's in the middle. Yay! Good job, kids. Alright, kids. Now it's riddle time.
It's time for a riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is a thing. We use it to write. But before we use it, we need to sharpen it. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a pencil. Yay! We did it, friends. Yes. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
So now we are going to review. Okay? Do you still remember what sound is this? Yes, you're right. P, 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 p. And then let's write the p sound together one more time. Okay? Pointer please. And then draw the line from the top. And then make the curve line. Yes! Good job! Alright kids, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye!